Today we have a 2013 one owner Ford Escape, 16,000 miles, clean AutoCheck, 30-day dealer warranty. Give you a look. It does have a nice chrome insert in the grille, along with the smoke-colored lower fascia inserts. You do have your chrome bezeled headlights and parking lights there. And you will see it has the alloy 18-inch rims, along with the Kelly tires, around 3/4 tread or a little better. It does have the integrated signals in the mirrors. They are heated mirrors, passenger and driver side. You have your roof rack and your antenna for your Sirius satellite radio. You have the black on black interior. Has some brushed aluminum inserts in the doors and the dash. Does have some nice white stitching in the seat there to break the color up a little bit. And we'll show you the back seating, which is pretty ample seating for a small SUV. Does have the flip down center console there, doubles as a cup holder. And you can actually pull that floor mat out, flip up that panel, and there's a couple small storage spots under there. Some people don't know that that's there. If you need extra storage, your seats do fold flat on both sides like that. Pretty much double your storage cargo capacity by doing that. Rear tires and wheels, probably a little better rubber than the front actually. It does have the rear defrost, rear wiper, SEL escape. You see it has EcoBoost 4-wheel drive, backup sensors. Does have the power lift gate, which is nice and clean in there. You'll notice this panel lifts up, and you do have some storage compartments here for where you might need to store your spare tire. Flip that dial, turn that loose, your jack and all your tools and everything are underneath that spare. And your button to put your hatch back down is there. If you have an armload of groceries or something, you don't have a free arm, all you need is a finger to push that button. Give you a look in there. This does have the keyless entry. You see the number dial right there. Program your password in there. Driver's door. You see it has your power locks, windows, and mirrors on it. 3-way memory seating. And you'll see the display screen. You see the mileage is 19,745 currently. Show you some of the settings. There's your fog lights, headlight selector switch, your dimmer for your interior lighting. On your steering wheel you have your heads-up display information for your screen. You have your cruise control there. You have your information display screen, your home button. You can link your Bluetooth and your telephone right through here. And your windshield wipers front and rear. And you do have the push button start. Over on the other side, you will see it does have a fairly high mounted stereo. There's the CD input slot. And like I said, it does have Sirius radio, satellite radio. And I'm trying to light a couple of the different screens up here just to show you. We'll see, it does have the Sony entertainment system. And you can link your phone and everything up right through here. The screen is all touch, so it's pretty simple to work with. down below that you will see you have your heating and air conditioning controls, which are dual control. The driver and the climate don't have to be. Driver and passenger climate can be set differently. It doesn't have to be the same. Then you have a hatch button here. You have your defrost button and your shifter, which is automatic of course, but it has the manual option on the side to up and down shift through the gears. If you come on down, you'll see it does have driver and passenger heated seating. There's the controls for that, along with a 12-volt power source. Your emergency brake, of course, your cup holders. And inside the center storage, they have a pretty deep little storage well there. There's 2 USB ports in there, along with a couple other plug-ins for your devices. And sunglass holder. It's actually a pretty darn nice vehicle inside and out. There's really no sign of pet odor, no smoke smell, no rips or tears anywhere. So we're going to take you right under the hood, give you a look at the engine bay. You will notice it's nice and clean underneath there as well. You can't see a whole lot because of the plastic fascias they have, the guards they have over everything, but you can see it does have the full EcoBoost 2.0 liter engine, which is turbocharged engine. Get real good fuel economy with those, and you really don't sacrifice too much power with the turbo on there. You do get excellent fuel economy for being an SUV. You get around 28 miles per gallon on the highway, closer to 20 to 22 in the city. And the last part of this video, what I'm going to do is walk you around, and we're going to try and point out any imperfections or flaws that we can find on here. In case you're interested and you want to come out and look, you already know about them. Which is typical of a used car. We have a few very small stone chips on the front of the bumper, and there's a couple small chips on the hood. Passenger front wheel, there is a couple scrapes on the one fork that goes down there. Pretty minor. It's not like curb rash or anything. It looks just like a slight scrape on the one fork that comes down. Passenger side looks pretty clean other than that wheel up there. The back wheel looks good. This is one spot where most SUVs you look and there's always scratches and scuffs from people dragging stuff in and out of the cargo area, but this was pretty clean. Driver's rear wheel looks good. And the driver's front wheel looks good. So other than a couple tiny stone chips and there's a little bit of scuffing on the bottom part of the front bumper there by the fascia. But other than those couple little things I showed you, it's actually a nice, clean, straight SUV. If you're in the market for one of these or know somebody that is, or if you just want to come out and take a look and maybe take it a test drive, you can feel free to give us a call, 717-485-4224, or you can look us up on the website for more information. That would be www.thomasata.com. Thanks for your time.